So if you're trying to get this maintenance required light off on your Sienna, just do this. First, turn your vehicle off. Now we're going to put it on ignition mode, which with the push button system, you're going to want to push the button twice with your foot off the brake. Now make sure you're on the trip setting. Hold down the trip button over here. Turn the vehicle off while still holding the trip button. Then turn the vehicle on to ignition. And you'll see resetting maintenance data complete. And then we're going to let go of the trip button, turn the vehicle off, turn it back on just to see. And everything is reset. Everything looks good.